We would now like to introduce Mitsubishi Electric Service IQ Care Remote for You. IQ Care Remote for You is a service using IoT technology to support production by and maintenance of laser processing machines. This IQ Care Remote for You can be largely divided into two functions, the dashboard function and the remote diagnosis function. First, the dashboard function that contributes to the production process. The dashboard function allows customers to confirm matters such as operating information and estimated processing time of their laser processing machine at off-site areas in real time via PCs, smartphones, or tablets. And no dedicated software is necessary. Using a web browser, information can be accessed from anywhere. Second is the remote diagnosis function, which significantly reduces machine downtime. This function allows a terminal at the support center to directly access the customer's laser processing machine to conduct a diagnosis. Now, let's see how it works. Please notice the changes on the screens at the support center and that of the customer. The support center seems to have received an email from a customer's supervisor saying, "Alarm information has been received through the email alert function of the laser processing machine. Please contact their production site."
Hello?
This is Mitsubishi Electric Machinery Division. We have been informed by your supervisor that an alarm occurred from the pallet changer. Are you experiencing any problems?
Yeah, I can't change the pallet, so the machine is stopped.
Please take a look at the pallet position sensor.
I don't know where the sensor is.
I'll show you where it is on the screen. Please press the remote service button.
Okay, I pressed the button.
Since the customer has granted permission for connection, the support center is now operating the screen.
Can you see a place blinking red?
Yeah.
That's where the sensor is. Please check it.
Okay, what should I confirm?
Please move a piece of metal back and forth from the sensor.
Okay, I'm moving it closer to the sensor. Close, away, close, away.
The sensor seems to be functioning normally. Could you now check to see if the sensor's stay is bent or tilted?
Yeah, it's tilted.
Please adjust it so that it's positioned straight.
Okay, I adjusted it.
Now, try exchanging the pallet.
Okay. Okay, the pallet changer worked without problem.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, not right now.
Please call again if you have any questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
So what did you think about this demonstration of the remote diagnosis function of Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Care Remote for You? In this way, the dedicated terminal at the support center can directly access the customer's laser processing machine and diagnose it remotely. So, even without a service engineer at the site, the problem can be quickly resolved by sharing screen information with the customer. The experienced engineer can operate the screen and use a blinking red light to clearly indicate the location of the place to be checked. This makes it easy for the customer to understand the explanation. Mitsubishi Electric will continue to use IQ Care Remote for You to enhance production efficiency. For a more detailed explanation, please feel free to ask one of our attendants. Thank you for your attention.